welcome to my kitchen. I have music on in the background. You probably can't really hear it. Let's hope I don't get copyright strike for that. Not that I make money off of these, so it's fine. So first things first, breakfast smoothie. I'm gonna put my hair up because I don't want hair in my smoothie. That's gross. And when you make a smoothie, you can't really tell. It's a little gross. So anyway, what I'm gonna do, my freezer's over here. I have my big old bag of fruits. I bought this at Target. I normally like to go to Costco. Only issue there is they have a very limited selection of like frozen fruits. And half of them have peaches in them. And I have a theory that I'm allergic to peaches because they make my throat really itchy. So, assuming if that's to avoid, that's the only like food allergy I think I have. Bread is kind of mean to me, but do I eat it anyway? Yeah. So, okay. Yummy. Wait, can you see? Okay. So, I'm over here. I also have this protein powder. I know people don't like protein powder. I don't really care because it's like, I'm a vegetarian and it's really hard for me to get my protein in. And like, my appetite isn't, how do I open this? I just bought this, so hopefully it tastes good. Pull here, don't twist. Lid stays, I'll figure that out later. And then I have flaxseed. This is from Whole Foods. Yummy. I just like them because they have fiber in them. Good for you. Yeah. And then I do a banana. So I eat bananas now. I used to not eat bananas because I work with radiation. And bananas are a little bit radioactive. So I thought if I don't eat bananas, then like maybe my overall radiation will be less. So I just avoided bananas for like 3 years. But I've grown. It's fine. Let me take my blender out, actually. I have the NutriBullet thing. So, ignore that. So then, I'm just gonna put this in. Hello, everyone. Only issue with my kitchen is kind of limited on counter space, but you know, this is New York City, so really what was I expecting? Does this not plug in? Wait. No, it does. Okay. God bless. And then I do almond milk. Very important. Unsweetened original because I put honey in it and that makes it sweet. Okay, so very easy recipe, right? So we just do a little some of that. That's probably good. I don't want it to be too full because otherwise it like explodes a little bit. I can get this closed. Very good. Okay, back into the freezer she goes. And then I put a banana in it. She opened. I normally have trouble. A little brown, it's fine. It's going in the blender anyway. Just like break it up a little bit, probably. Yeah, it's probably good. Bye. Okay, so we have fruits and bananas. Bananas are a fruit. Flax seeds. I don't measure them, but like, you know when it's kind of too much, so I just kind of like, I'm like, that's good. It looks like more than it is, but like dispersed through the whole thing. Also I think they're like good for your skin. It's like healthy fats or something. I don't even know. Okay. Let's figure this out. And I'll let you know if this is good because like I just bought this because it was like cheap at Costco and it was one of the only protein powders that didn't have like 84 million ingredients. Pull here, don't twist. Oh, it did it. Okay. I do appreciate that they're trying to do like less plastic. Okay. So what do I do? 4 tablespoons. I do have a tablespooner. I'm not really like one to measure things unless I'm like baking because that's like kind of, you have to. Okay, 1, 2. But then again, like if I'm baking, it's like bread and it's like I kind of just like know what works at this point. 3, 4. Okay. So that's, lid stays attached. Okay. I also have yogurt, which I think I'm gonna add and get crazy. Yeah. But I have to like mix it. My goat. Because it's just like if you like don't know how to eat protein like me, like once I discovered that like yogurt actually has so much, okay, this like, I'm not sure if I'm supposed to like throw this out, but it's like plastic. Ew. Okay. I'm using a plastic fork. Just gonna mix that up a little bit. This I'm not measuring because like, no. I'm just gonna, but this is like plain unflavored. Like the first time I had unflavored plain yogurt was like really an interesting experience for me because like I got so used to like the sugar that's supposed to be in it. Is obviously, or like just even like vanilla flavoring or something, because I'd been eating like vanilla Greek yogurt for a while. This is gonna be really full, but the yogurt makes it like really like creamy and nice. Yeah. Okay. So then my last step is always the almond milk, because then I just like let it, you know. Barista throwback. Okay. That's probably good. I'm well over the max, but like it's always kind of worked out for me, so everything just kind of works out. You just have to like tell yourself that it's all gonna be fine, and then like it will be. Okay. I would mute this. I'll mute this. really good. Okay, honestly more watery than I was expecting. I have paper straws. I just drink it out of here. I realized I didn't put the honey in, but honestly it tastes fine. Yeah. If you like things like really sweet, I would say put honey or sugar in it or something. But with the fruit, I don't feel like I need it. And if you're a protein powder fan, they make a lot of like flavored ones that are probably like pretty sweet, and so you probably don't even need it. Okay, so that's how you make a smoothie. When I get hungry again, this is gonna be a really long video. This might be just breakfast. Okay, bye.